Order block checklist for a valid order block. Many of you will be wondering, what do I have to check out in an order block to know a valid order block? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are gaining some value. A big shout out to my coach. He really took his time in guiding me, so I always give a big shout out to him to appreciate his hard work in my trading journey. Now, to get a good valid order block, there are criteria you have to meet, the order block has to meet to be able to know an order block that is valid. First of all, the order block must have either a break of structure, which many of us know as a BOS, or a shift in market structure, which many of us see on some individual charts as MSS. Now, this is one of the criteria that you have to check for. Did the order block create a BOS, or did the order block create a shift in market structure, like a change of character? Then you give your order block a tick of mark. The second one you look for is this order block unmitigated? In the sense whereby, has any other candle traded into that order block? You have to confirm your eyes, actually you can see it yourself. Has it traded into that order block? If it hasn't traded into that order block, you mark it and tick it as a valid order block that has gotten two criterias. Then you move to the third question: does this order block have a fair value gap? Normally we know how a fair value gap or an imbalance is very strong in the market. There is no how markets get to those zones that market do not react. So it will be good if you can have a good confluence of whether it has an imbalance. If it has an imbalance, it makes that order block a very, very, very strong order block. And the last question is it at premium or at discount? We all know that at premium we sell and at discount zones we buy. I got an example here for us here. What do I have here? I have a shift in market structure here, which is criteria 1. I got the example online, which is criteria 1. Criteria 2 says the order block unmitigated. We know order block is always the last candle before the impulse move. And this trend is also what? Is also a bearish momentum or a sell trend. I can see that the order block is unmitigated. Can you see? No candle has traded into it yet. The next question being asked is, does this order block have an imbalance? Can you see a beautiful imbalance that is about to get filled? Because anytime price leave imbalances behind, it always comes back in the future to fill it up. What do you see? A beautiful imbalance. Can you see? We have a beautiful imbalance here. Can you see it, right? Market has an imbalance. The other block has an imbalance. And the last question you ask yourself is premium and discount. You take a Fibonacci. Without the Fibonacci, you are trading carelessly, because you need to know whether price is at, normally the rule states that sell premium is for sell while discount is for buy. So you need to know where price is at the moment and where price is going to at that particular moment. Now I have a checklist that states that my above the middle here is called, what do you call this middle? 50%, right? Equilibrium. And this upside is premium, this downside is discount. You can see buy to the premium. And if I take it up, what do I see? Market getting there. Market did not get there but reacted within what? Within the fair value gap. I'm going to find other examples for you. Let me find another example for you here. Kindly bear with me. I'm trying to find another example. Good. I have one here for you. Following the checklist, right? Following all the checklists, I have what? I have a break of structure here. That's checklist 1. I have an order block here. That's checklist 2, right? This is the other block, right? This is the other block, right? Then if I look inside, what do I have? I have a minor fair value gap that was in front of what? That is before the other block, which signal to me that there's high tendency for markets to react there. Why? Because the other block has a fair value gap. And if I go again with my Fibonacci from the low to the high, I realize that price is at discount. So if you check it, or if you check everything thoroughly very well, you realize that price followed the whole four rules, which states a break of structure, which is this one here, as a break of structure. It also has an imbalance. You can see it here like a fair value gap. It also has what? It also what? Unmitigated. It's available to be taken. And also is what? In my discount, I can use that other block to trade. I can see price went down and took out the external range liquidity or did it under BOS. I hope it's very explanatory. Just follow the rules and regulation. I will type this on the description on the channel on this particular topic. You can go there and look at it and write it in your notebook. It might make an impact in your trading. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ask your questions, and I'll be happy and joyous and joyful to reply you. Thank you so much.